Hello, we're here today, oddly September 11, 2021, for the Paul Bunyan Amateur Radio Club. And today the project is to install this cable, which is Heliax coax, also called hardline. We're going to unspool this cable. We're going to switch to hard hats, and the cable is going to be attached to the side of the fire tower behind me. And the top of the Heliax will be connected to an antenna to be installed at a later date. And the bottom of the Heliax will come down the fire tower and go over into the Forestry Education Center for a UHF DMR repeater to be installed here. Cable, yeah.
I'm 2 lights away from that very intersection.
I suppose the farther down the better here, but okay, move your hand, just go.
It's a Heliax connector.
Yep.
And I offer this as evidence. Why do you insist on soldering your PL259s? There's no solder in this.
I know that. Yeah.
Heliax that's the big stuff, right?
Yeah, yeah. That's true.
It's merely a clamp.
Well, you really can't solder a PL50. Well, the tip, but you can't solder the shield very well.
No, you can't see.
What do you need? More stuff than Dave. And
35 plus 5,
I
40
started
feet.
racing around here
So
in
90,
Nolan,
130
Fargo,
feet. Yeah, that's. We're going to have to go on that leg as far as
Buffalo River
coax line.
Speedway outside of Glendon.
On this leg here?
But,
Okay.
oh, okay.
And then multiple is 5 plus.
See the knife I bought up in there. Nice little Gerber.
Beam clamp.
Loaded.
I got a couple. I was thinking for the ground kit.
Yep.
Sharp too.
There must still be in the truck.
Your dog.
Well, you'd howl too if you were tossed off the top of the tower.
I did not do that.
I'm just kidding. Oh God, this video is going to be censored now.
On the way back the second time, because I had issues with the title. I didn't know that there was a status still on the title, so I had to go back up and get the new title. And then
This truck too. I drove all the way down to Monaga, paid the lady, and she said, all right, now we got to go to the bank. We got to take this money and satisfy the lien. So we went to the bank, and the bank was closed 5 minutes early. So then I had to drive all the way back down there to get the lien satisfaction so I could get the title.
well, the time they lost the lien part.
Yeah. But this lady,
Oh, you going to put a courtesy wrap on first?
Not on, I can.
No, don't do as I say. I'm just asking.
Usually, yeah, on ground kits, you're never going to need to take them off, so I will on the connector though.
Oh yeah.
Is that coax seal?
Well, it's actually an Andrew part. Andrew, the company Andrew.
Oh.
But that's,
The same
hams would call it coax seal.
Yeah.
It has a lot of other names. That DMR. Whoa!
Good shot.
That's scary.
get out the way.
Get out of the way! Get out of the way! Stop here. And this one goes up. So, just maybe either hold that end, Gary.
This end?
Yeah.
Let's take off this.
No, no, it's going to go over top of the fence for now.
Okay. I'm sorry.
So we're just going to roll it straight out.
Roll it along the ground?
Okay. Yeah.
Close to the middle.
Between the building and the figure tree. There we go.
Then we need to move a car over by this cable so no one drives on it.
Well, I don't think anybody's going to drive into the horse paddock between now and the time they pull it up.
They come out to practice with their horses at any time.
That truck was right there. So. I can move it. What about dirt getting in this?
We'll be pulling it the other way.
Got water in it. It had a plastic bag on it. Plastic bag.
Don't all look at me at once.
Well,
We're all standing here waiting for
you're
orders.
the
Wait
one.
until you-
You're the one that gets paid to do this stuff, and it's been a long time since I did. So
I learned a whole lot already just watching you. Those things sound like nothing but a whole bunch of mad bees.
yeah.
I may or may not have taken one up 1,600 feet.
Max, how much weight do we have here?
A little bit. This is kind of heavy here. Wasn't me.
Now you got two portable phones. You're going through a cell site like a repeater?
It's on the Verizon cell towers is what it uses.
I heard him say MPR.
We were looking at something a little better a minute ago, but good thing you weren't here then.
Always got it.
Now, buggy shit, I was just thinking. It's funny how you had it too shiny when you get old. I put up my first ham tower. I had a couple, 3 buddies over. And my wife likes to worry. She does the worrying for both of us. Yeah, I do. I can help her. Okay. So, we're putting the tower up, and putting the tower up is a lot easier than taking it down, because you kind of get used to the height as you go up. Yeah, that's true too.
My brother fell off a ladder.
She couldn't stand to watch, but she couldn't stand to not know what was going on.
I just realized that.
Yeah, that's a conflict.
Everything you're saying is going with this when I'm taking a picture of him. So,
Flex cord. You know, that bar, that brick cable that you got on the side of that's not 1.5 inches. You know, just going by the side. Cable or something that resists corrosion. Well, when I did my last tower, self-supporting, and the Roan book says the rebar cage has to be 3 inches inside the concrete, no closer than 3 inches from the edge of the concrete.
That's good and safe. That's neat.
Yeah, I was just wondering what happened to my HT. Right here. No, this is the company one. Oh.
There's one hanging over there someplace.
Well, maybe that's it. I never like that one anyway, so if I lose it, I'll be happy.
At 3 inches, you should be good.
Yeah, well, I wound up being closer than that. Probably in maybe 1 or 2 places it was 1.5 inches, but it was pretty close to 2, and most of the time 3.
What happens is,
I think you should be talking about women last time I'm recording this.
What do you want on it?
Everything.
Relish?
Sure.
Okay. And what to drink?
What do they got?
The usual.
Coke or a Pepsi is fine.
Okay.
Sure did. Funny, because after this I'm going to climb another tower.
Today? What kind of tower is it?
The one at the shop.
Huh?
The one at the shop. I'm putting an antenna up for Troy.
What do you have to do up there?
Put up an antenna.
For what?
915 meg or something.
Oh.
No idea what it is.
hope those dogs are happy.
Oh, I'm getting sick of it. I'm ready to go back home and see mine.
I didn't know they were going to be here.
They're hybrid dogs, probably. Dog show is going on right now.
I know when I was pulling in, I was like, there's no one here except for here. I'm trying to pull in here and I'm like, okay, dodge this vehicle, dodge this vehicle.
No, we need one more below here.
Yeah.
Catch.
I rode a bicycle from here to Grand Marais and back once. I was a junior in high school.
You did a what?
I rode a bicycle from here to Grand Marais and back.
How long did it take you to get there?
2 hours.
About 5 days. Well,
5 days?
2 days to get to Duluth, and then about 2 more days up to 3 up the shore, maybe.
Jeez, it's easier to climb the fire tower.
Wonder what I'd feel like if I tried to do that right now. I'd hurt tonight.
Not quite as flexible as I thought I was there.
Well, thank you. That was amazing work.
No problem.
Really, really exciting to watch.
Need one more on this other leg, right?
What's that?
One more on this leg?
Yep, I'll put one right here.
Yeah.
That should do it.
The Paul Bunyan Amateur Radio Club here in Bemidji, Minnesota would like to thank Max Hendrickson of Rogers Two-Way for donating his entire Saturday afternoon to help us here at the fairgrounds, running up a coax cable to the top of the tower. So we can put a new antenna up there and put in a new radio system called DMR, Digital Mobile Radio. We're almost there, we're not quite finished yet. But being on the 100-foot tower will give us a great range around the Bemidji area. Thanks, Max, for coming out on this Saturday afternoon.